Morning, this is Gracie Opulenza, and I'm all about opulent lifestyle, and you can find out a lot more about me on gracieopulenza.com. Moved in, in Umbria. I'm in an Italian home. I'm just short-term renting. Look at the dust, and apparently, you see that? The cleaner's coming, apparently. Shit. Oh, sorry for the swear. Look at that, cleaner's coming. Look at the dust, look at the dust, look at the dust, look at the dust. Oh, jeez. Get rid of the bad energy, get rid of the bad... Oh my God, who's been sleeping on here? That's how I get rid of my dust. The dusty old medieval home. Oh my God, I'm going to sleep on that. Holy mother of particles in my lungs. I find when I'm renting here in Italy, oh jeez, because of the old homes, and this property has been sitting dormant for quite some time. Even if a cleaner comes in, which I'm dubious about, they collect dust, if you see. So I've opened up the window there. Look at that. And I want to change. Oh my God, get the dust, get the dust, get the dust, get the dust, get the dust. Therapeutic. Holy mother of dust. It's one way of doing it. If I had my garden, I'd do it another way, but I just want to get rid of the dust. And then oh my God, this is what they expect me to sleep on? Are you kidding me? Dead skin. Oh, jeez, the dust. Holy mother of dust. Oh my goodness. Hey, that's why, I've reviewed so many hotels. This is what happens. Airbnbs, even how much cleaners. Get the dust, get the dust. Oh, get out. Oh, this is therapeutic. About a few months back, I rented a property in Lucca. My worst Airbnb rentals are in Italy. And pipe drainage here seeping into my lungs and my brain for 5 weeks. I kept complaining, and then I moved the bed. Why didn't I move that bed long enough? Look at the dust. Shoot. So I'm just doing this. Think, okay, I like this as a bed head. I see why they're doing it, but that's coming off. How much dust, oh my God, is in that? It's just, I get it. I have rental property, so that's going to be washed as well. Yeah, let's do this. I get it. Bed heads. Oh my God! Look at the dust. Look at it. Oh my, is that dust? Right, let me get rid of the lamp. Jeez. So when you go into a long-term rental, or I'm here for a couple of months while I find my long-term rental, which is very, very challenging, speaking to agents, because we're in peak season as of next week. Italy's very popular, and oh my God, seeing that? Let's do it that side. So the blunt, just get oh my God, look at the dust. Can you see it? I can see it. Oh, it's scary. Hiya, hiya, hiya. Oh my gosh. That's it. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm not going to do this forever, but I'll at least I've turned the mattress upside down. Hiya, hiya, hiya. Go dust. Oh my God, dead body skin. We talk about keeping our homes clean, huh? How many of you do this? Oh my gosh, can you see the dust? Oh, because it's been sitting dormant. Spiritual, yeah? Can I move this? Oh, jeez, yeah. Italian furniture right there. Holy mother of... Jeez, be careful when you move in. It's not IKEA where it's put together robustly. Let me get that. I just want to... And here I'm moving it really, really important. I've paid for the cleaner to clean, but I know got to have a special kind of cleaner. I've got great cleaners in Thailand, do a great job, but that's because I'm managing them. So when I moved in here, I just moved in without opulence and management. I've reviewed over 500 hotels globally. I am an expert when it comes to feng shui, wellness, and getting the dust. I think that'll do. Holy mother of dust, go, dust, go. Especially when you're keeping these open, it'll collect dust, but I think God knows how many years or whatever. Shoot, this whole room is just one big dust. This property's for sale, funny enough. But yeah, so this is why when I move into a long-term rental, I sold everything. I don't want it furnished. Long-term rental in Italy is hard without furnishing. That's why it's getting harder and harder and harder, because I want to bring my own stuff in, meaning brand new mattresses. How often should you change your mattress? I change mine every 5 years. Why wouldn't you? You sleep on it 10 hours a day. You have sex. You do sexual positions. Let's not talk about that. Sweating, fever, COVID, pandemics. How many of you changed your mattress? Since I've got a new mattress in Thailand, IKEA. I just go for IKEA because they're guaranteed for 2 years. They're good. There are different price ranges. And, mattress protector is amazing. You can keep the plastic on it, but that doesn't sound good. And mattress protector, I vacuum under the bed, around the bed, all here. Bed heads, I've written an article on it. Wooden, I never go for this. Wooden, antique doors as a bed head, anything wood, anything that you can just take off and clean every week or 2 weeks. How often do you wipe down your bed? How often do you do this? Can you say, look, how long have I been going for? It's an exhausting adventure. Go, dust! This is just because I don't know how many bodies have been on here. Going to put my own linen. I bring my own linen when I can. I'm in Italy. I got all my stuff in storage. This is my resting place. This is my resting place. This is where I've got to be full energy, finding the property, meeting people, understanding they're not going to rip me off, understanding that when they say it's 120 square metres, it is 120 square metres. Got to be present day to day. Celine Dion, look how rich she is. You can't buy health. Celine Dion said yesterday, I'm living day by day. She got no choice, people. She can't sing anymore. She can't walk. She can't even put her jacket on. What happened to the body of Celine Dion? If you don't give to your body, if you don't feng shui as women, if you don't relax, if you just work like a dog, like she has, she's in her 50s. It's game over at the moment. She's a fighter. But I think she's got a lot of things running her head day by day, thinking, if I only took more time out, if I only had the best bed in the world, if I only stopped performing day out, in and out, how much money do you need? People. Life's short. Read this Celine Dion. Was she having those restful nights over the years? Artists get worked like a dog. And of course it defines you, but you got to find the balance. And in her own words yesterday in Vogue, I can only live day by day in the present because my body has said enough. The self-pleasing. It's like me getting rid of the dust in your life. This is powerful. What am I doing here? Getting rid of the body and the soul and the sweat of others. I'm here for another 5 weeks. I need to be focused, energized, not be pressured by choosing a long-term rental that I'll hate, that I've done many times before. Oh my goodness, I think that's it. It's done. Let's just get a bit more, get a bit more. Oh. It's so important. How many of you wash your bed head? Trends right now in Italy, just up the road, bed head historical doors. Think outside the box, something that's clean. So we have Airbnb, right? I have stayed in the worst Airbnbs in Italy. Broken furniture. Just put in Italy Airbnb and you'll read my stories. Pipes broken, seeping through the wall into my head. Into my head. Nearly killed me. Not having that. Be present when you walk in the room, when you walk in an Airbnb. If it doesn't feel right, walk straight out. I know you say money, money, money. I get it. I did the same. Look at this. I've not slept in this room, but today I woke up and I thought it is time to move rooms. Oh, I can feel the dust on my teeth. I can feel the dust in my hair. That was what this bed was. I've got the window open so it'll just air things out, probably dust in and dust out. Look at that. And the cleaner. The cleaners, look, going to wash that as well. I've paid money for cleaning and I've paid money when I go out for cleaning, but I can tell you by the time I leave here, this place would have had one of the deepest cleans it's ever known. Yeah, beds, mattresses. How often do you change your mattress? Look, you sleep on it, you dream on it, your dreams are formed, you have sex on it, you bleed on it, you sweat on it, you get sick on it. I change mine every 5 years. And I don't buy a second-hand mattress. Feng Shui, wellness, body, soul, sweat of others. Are you crazy? When I first got my first wedding bed was a disgusting bed. But when I bought my first home, I bought a second-hand mattress and bed. What was I thinking? I wasn't taught about self-pampering. I grew up with immigrant parents that everything had to last. And it's pretty much, Italy's at €1,000 a month on average as salary. So I get it, of the preservation. Now, this bed, get it. Take that off and wash it, and don't be so lazy. I can take that off and I most likely will, and I will wash it. Right? Look at the stains. There's so many products that you can use. They just can't be bothered. All this comes off. Can I be bothered taking this all off? You know what? I'm going to ring the cleaner and say, come back, love, and do this for me. I got other things to fry, so just doing that beautiful. Remember, self-pampering. So as I said, my first home, I didn't even buy a new bed, let alone a mattress. What was I thinking? Because I was not taught about the self-care. I'm 52. There is no compromise now. Celine Dion. No money in the world can get her health to where it was. Only, she God knows how many millions it's going to take for Celine to get back where she was. Will she get back where she was? Dig deeper. You work like a dog, your body's going to tell you enough's enough. And she's just saying, all I can do to Vogue, I can only live day by day. I don't know what tomorrow comes, but it's biblical. God, Jesus, the apostles didn't say it for a reason. Live in the present, live day to day. The people that you meet, You are important. The people that treat you badly are important. Tomorrow is coming, but today is gone. Live in the present. So I woke up and thought, I need to move rooms. I'm digging deep where my other room is too dark. I need air flowing. And okay, it's a brick wall. It's my laundry. There is hope. So I know for a rental, I need views. This is an outdoor kitchen balcony. It's not going to do. I'm writing so well because of the views I have in Koh Samui. Have a look. Put the word condo, Koh Samui, in gracieopulanza.com. Put Airbnb. Put made in Italy. What's the point? People have bought and regretted. These places will consume you. They're taxing on the body. They're pretty much farm homes. They're medieval. They're old. Woo! Get banging your mattress. How often do you change your mattress? How often should you change your mattress? I've done mattress reviews on Men's Style Fashion. I need new mattresses, but not in this house, in my next rental, and I will do it. That's worth investing. My soul, my sweat, my mind, my body on my mattresses, no one else's. Airbnb, ask them. How many Airbnbs do what I just did? I reckon 9 times out of 10, none. Can you imagine? Even in hotels. Oh, I think they're the most disgusting things if you think about it. I'm signing off. Dust your mattress. Change your mattress. Live in the present. And take it from Celine Dion. She doesn't know what tomorrow's bringing. The past is past. She can only live day by day. That is what her body has taught her. God's given her a message. She'll sing. She may never sing again. Live day by day. You only have one body. No money can buy health. Steve Jobs would advocate for that.